Ever walked through an airport terminal, saw someone bragging about their crazy cheap flight and thought, how? Yeah, we've all been there. It's almost like they know some secret travel agent or they're hacking the system. Well, guess what? Finding those insanely cheap flights isn't magic. It's all about knowing the right tricks and having the right tools. That's what we're diving into today. I'm talking about those ninja-level travel hacks that'll have you booking flights like a pro in no time. We're gonna break down the steps, the strategies, and everything in between so you can travel more and spend less. Because who wants to drop their entire paycheck on a plane ticket, right? Let's get you out there exploring the world without emptying your wallet. And if you don't like spending a fortune but still want to travel, then stay tuned for the ultimate guide to cheap flights. First things first. Flexibility is your new best friend. We get it, you've got this picture-perfect trip in your head, specific dates, specific places, no room for change. But hold on a second. What if I told you that being a little flexible can save you a ton of cash? Think of it like this. Airlines change their prices all the time, right? Well, those changes often depend on the day of the week you're flying and even the specific airport you're flying to. Flying out on a Tuesday instead of a Friday could be a game changer. Landing at a smaller airport a little further from your final destination? Another potential win. This is where a little research goes a long way. Don't just search for flights to your dream destination on your ideal dates. Play around with it. Try shifting your departure and return by a few days. See what happens to the price. Look at nearby airports, even if they require a bit of a drive once you land. You might be surprised at the price difference a little flexibility can make. And hey, maybe you'll discover a new favorite spot along the way. I bet you didn't know how much you could save with just a bit of flexibility. Stay tuned for more tips. Alright, now let's talk tech. In the age of smartphones, you better believe there are apps for everything, including finding killer flight deals. And trust me, these aren't your grandma's travel apps. We're talking next-level stuff here. Think Skyscanner, Google Flights, Hopper. These are your new secret weapons. These apps are like having a personal travel agent working for you 24/7. They scan all the airlines, all the routes, all the dates, and spit out the best prices in seconds. No more endless scrolling through airline websites, no more getting lost in a maze of deals. Seriously, if you're not using these apps, you're leaving money on the table. Download them, play around with them, get comfortable with how they work. They're intuitive, easy to use, and they'll change the way you book flights forever. This is gonna blow your mind. Okay, so you've got your dates, you're flexible with your destinations, you've downloaded all the best flight apps. What's next? It's time to set those fare alerts, people. Remember how I said those apps are like having a personal travel agent? Well, setting fare alerts is like giving your new travel agent a direct line to your brain. You tell the app where you want to go and when you're thinking about going, and bam! Whenever the price drops, you get an alert straight to your phone. No more constantly checking prices, no more refreshing the page a million times a day. Just set it and forget it. Let the app do the heavy lifting while you focus on the important stuff, like packing your bags and planning your adventures. I will never book a flight the same way again after learning this. Now let's talk about the age-old debate. Is it better to book flights in advance or snag those last-minute deals? Honestly, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's like picking between pizza and tacos. Both delicious, but it depends on your mood. Booking in advance is like that reliable friend who's always got your back. You know what you're getting, you're usually getting a good price, and you can relax knowing everything's sorted. This is especially true for peak travel seasons when prices tend to skyrocket the closer you get to your travel date. Last-minute deals, on the other hand, are more like that spontaneous friend who always drags you on an adventure. It's riskier, you never know what you're gonna get, but sometimes you stumble upon an incredible deal that's too good to pass up. This works best if you're flexible with your destination and travel dates, and you're okay with the possibility of not finding a deal. But wait, what if I told you there's a secret strategy that combines the best of both worlds? Stay tuned to find out. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite word, free, specifically, free flights. Sound too good to be true? Well, with airline rewards programs and credit card points, it's totally within reach. Think of it like this. Every time you book a flight, you're basically earning points that can be redeemed for future flights, upgrades, and other travel perks. It's like a secret club for frequent flyers, and the more you fly, the more rewards you earn. And the best part? You don't have to be a jet-setting millionaire to take advantage of these programs. Most airlines have free rewards programs that you can sign up for in minutes. Just link it to your flights and watch those points rack up. Same goes for credit card points. Many credit cards offer travel rewards like bonus points for booking flights or even free checked bags. Do your research, find a card that aligns with your travel goals, and start swiping your way to free flights. But what's something people don't know about these rewards programs? Stay tuned to find out. So there you have it. With these tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to finding the cheapest flights. No more wondering how everyone else seems to find those crazy cheap flights. With these tips and tricks up your sleeve, you'll be navigating the world of airfare like a pro in no time. Remember, it's all about being flexible, using the right tools, and staying one step ahead of the game. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe to my channel for more travel hacks and adventures, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now go out there, book that trip you've been dreaming of, and explore the world. But wait, what I wish I knew at the beginning of my travel journey might just change everything for you. Stay tuned for more.